Fort Collins Municipal Railway, as shows, existed from 1918 through 1951. The routes from a loop in City Park along West Mountain Avenue into College. There was the spur down Howes Street, Howes, to the car barn. Then south on College to Pitkin, back north on Whidbey Street, which is way over here, to Magnolia, in one block on Magnolia, and north on Peterson to Mountain Avenue. And the famous Y, where the three cars all operated, was located at the intersection of Mountain and College Avenues here. Southbound on College Avenue, approaching Mountain. That's westbound on College Avenue, westbound on Mountain Avenue, approaching College. Number 20 at College and Mountain in the older yellow or green and cream, and you'll notice that there was a green stripe down in the lower cream area, and that there were no stripes in the bow tie on the end here on number 20. This shot looking south on College shows the single track Grand Union that was here at College and Mountain up until abandonment. The old Denver and Interurban tracks coming toward the camera were left in. They were paved over, of course, but they were left in until abandonment. A rather poor picture at College and Mountain showing the three-way meet. 25 is the extra car going clockwise around the downtown area. 22 is the car turning south behind the pedestrian, and a third car, unknown number, is heading west on West Mountain Avenue. Another look at the three-way meet, but this time we're looking south on College. And the left-hand car, of course, is the local car that just tours the downtown area via Mountain, Peterson, Magnolia, Whidbey, Pitkin, and College. The center car is the southbound car on College that goes the opposite way. We'll meet the car on the left up on Pitkin, and the right-hand car is westbound on Mountain Avenue. This time looking north on College at the three-way meet. Every 20 minutes during the rush period there was quite a bit of commotion down here on College. A car westbound on East Mountain Avenue, about to cross over the turnout on Linden, the line that used to go down to the CNS sugar plant and to Lindenmeyer Lake. That track also was left in until the 1951 abandonment. Number 21, the rehabilitated car that is still in service on the West Mountain Avenue line as of 1990, taking the curve from east on Mountain Avenue to south on College. Looking north at the south end of the College median, the car is still going to be in the middle of the street, but only College had the bracket poles in the center of a concrete street. The car is northbound on College. Car is eastbound on West Mountain Avenue between Howes and Main Street, or Howes and College, excuse me. car is eastbound on West Mountain Avenue at the Mack Street turnout. The turnout, of course, is still in existence, but the switch points have been concreted over, the areas of the switch points. Westbound on West Mountain Avenue, just west of Shields Street. Eastbound on West Mountain Avenue, this appears to be east of Mack. Westbound car on West Mountain Avenue. Westbound on West Mountain, just west of Shields. Southbound on Roosevelt Avenue, approaching City Park. There is a streetcar line in service on Roosevelt today. Traversing the clockwise loop through City Park, the car has turned southwest from Roosevelt and is joyfully bouncing along unballasted track in the park. This picture was very close to the same spot as the last picture in City Park. Number 21 in City Park in the fall, and the leaves are beginning to cover the ground. '23 in City Park before War II. Number 24 at the little station in City Park. '24 coming out of the City Park area, crossing the eastbound lanes of West Mountain Avenue, will go into the median and then cross the little irrigation ditch. This is a rather poor color slide, but it does show 24 coming north out of City Park past the area of the station and down almost to West Mountain Avenue. The Birney is crossing the bridge coming out of City Park down toward Mountain Avenue. He'll cross this bridge again on another little I-beam bridge, the same as he's on here. This is not the West Mountain Avenue bridge, because there was a traffic lane on this side of the car. Number 25 is about to cross the little I-beam bridge in the median of West Mountain Avenue. This bridge, of course, is still in service, although the track goes straight west or straight behind this car about a block before it angles southwest into the car house. The two cars are at Pitkin and Remington. The car in the foreground is the local car that goes clockwise around the central part of the city and will turn into a spur into Remington. The car on the left will then pass, and then the car on the right will back out of Remington, back onto Pitkin, line the switch, and then keep going clockwise around downtown Fort Collins. Pitkin, and Remington. Eastbound on Pitkin, car 21 is northbound on Whidbey Street. Turning west into Magnolia from north on Whidbey. Number 20 on Howes Street, out in front of the car house. '20 and 22 again on Howes, in front of the car barn. Number 24 again on Howes, in front of the car house. You'll note that at that time Howes was not paved. Number 26 and a sister car again on Howes. Note the removable headlight has been removed. Number 25 on Howes. Most all of these in the black, silver, and red were taken probably in the last year or two of service. Probably 49 through 51. Number 26 on the Detroit Street Railway. The rail fan that was responsible for this is standing in the front doorway. His name is Harry Erkfitz from Detroit. Eastbound from Mountain, turning south into College, and this one's going westbound. That's going south on College. The Mountain Avenue line was College. This is the Mountain Avenue line that was in the median. It's this portion of the Mountain Avenue line they're rebuilding. That's going into City Park. Follow that car. Stay behind him if you can. Yeah, he's going on to the car house, so we'll be all right. Run-bys with the traction sounds will be better. This way we'll get him all along Mountain Avenue.